Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, we are going to see about the challenges and opportunities in a organization behavior. So, what are the challenges? So, the how to manage the challenges, how to overcome the challenges become a very big challenge. So diversity, globalization, ethical behavior, technology, change management, these are the some of the major challenges generally we overcome in the organization manage behavior. Managing a diversity workforce with a different background, cultures, and perspectives. So, dealing with the cross cultural communication like international opportunities and operations and diversifying the markets, these are all the one of the challenges that we have generally will overcome is ethical behavior. So ensuring the ethical and making a decision making within the organizations. So the technological adoption is also very much important. Adopting a technological advancement and their impact on work processes and employee behavior. So all this will overcome will as a challenges. So we'll see about the opportunities. Like what are the opportunities are waiting outside to develop our organization? Like innovation, employee engagement, and talent management, leadership development, organization culture. So these are all one of the opportunities, main opportunities which are waiting outside to involve our organization to move forward. So, leveraging a diverse perspectives for creative problem and solving the problem solving innovation methods. So, creating a positive work environment to enhance the employee motivation and productivity. So, attracting, developing, and training top talent drives and organizing the success. So, nurturing the effective leader who can navigate the challenges and inspire their teams. These are the leadership development which we have to overcome as opportunities. Next, as an organization culture, building a strong, inclusive culture that aligns with the organization's values and goals. So, these are the general opportunities and challenges which OB will overcome. Next, we'll see the what are the different perspectives in the OB. So we'll see the like how the decision make to be done very effectively with the proper communications without any conflicts, taking a right decision at the right time as a leader. So leader must be a very strong communicator in the organizations. So that itself it brings you the strong bond between the leader and its team members. So decision making, employee perspective of information and situation can be impact their decision making processes, leading to a different outcomes. So understanding how the individual perceives a message can help in crafting an effective communication strategy to avoid the misunderstanding and conflicts. So that brings a lot of difference in the teamwork. So conflict resolution is also one of the important. Recognizing and addressing the right path, the different can be done. The facilitating the conflict resolution and improve the team dynamics. Next, the leaderships is a need to be aware of how their actions are perceived and by other to effectively influence and motivate them in a team. So these are all the one of the main important concern we have to concentrate. Next is about the environmental influences, the family, culture, social experience, and contribution towards the development of the personality, psychological factors, socialism, life experience. These are all the factors which is ethically related to the organization behavior. So ethical issues in organization behavior also is a factor, like ethical workplace harassments and fair treatments and corporation of social responsibility, corporate social responsibility, conflicts of the interest. These are all the context which is available in the OB as one of the main factors. So, in challenges and opportunities will go both in a parallel way. So, one to another will balance it, and we have to concentrate both the aspects in the equal priority and proportion. So it may be a short term or the long term challenges, but we have to overcome the possibilities of the existence. So this is all about the main challenges and opportunities in the organization behavior. Thank you.